Vowels and Consonants. Let's learn about letters today. These letters are very special. They are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U are friends. These letters are called vowels. Let's say the vowels together. A, E, I, O, U. Great job! Now let's learn about consonants. All letters other than vowels are called consonants. B is a consonant. C is a consonant. D is a consonant. If a letter is not a vowel, it is a consonant.